Almost everything that we use in our daily and throughout our life has been brought to us by the manufacturing industry.
Mitsubishi Materials Hardmetal.
A member of Mitsubishi Materials Corporation is a globally renowned general manufacturer of materials. Consistent designs, develops and manufactures wear-resistant tools, rock tools, carbide blanks, and cutting tools, which are essential to the manufacturing industry.
Mitsubishi Materials Hardmetal
Started in the 1870s after the Meiji Restoration as Tsukumo Corporation, which was the predecessor of Mitsubishi, and expanded its operations to metal mining business in 1917 as Mitsubishi Mining Corporation Limited. Since the inauguration of the cell-cemented carbide in 1930, we have been expanding our business to manufacturing of rock tools, wear-resistant tools, and cutting tools by integrating the long-standing traditions and manufacturing technologies. We integrated MMC Ryotec Corporation, which is Carbide Blanks Division, and established a new manufacturing company in 2011.
Mitsubishi Materials Hardmetal
It consists of the following 4 divisions. Wear-resistant tools division, which focuses on maintaining high accuracy. The rock tools division, which focuses on developing global markets. Carbide blanks division, which focuses on developing value-added carbide blanks. Cutting tools division, which is essential to the parts manufacturing industry. These 4 divisions operate and are active as the key player behind the automobile, aircraft, and electronics industries, as well as daily necessities and infrastructure work. Our head office is located in Gifu Prefecture in the Chubu region, which is the center for manufacturing. For example, automobile and aircraft manufacturing in Japan. Our plants are located also in Ibaraki Prefecture in the eastern part of Japan and Hyogo Prefecture in the western part of Japan, as well as in Thailand, which serves as the overseas manufacturing office. Each division places great importance in communicating with our customers in Japan as well as overseas through independent research and development. We investigate and then summarize market trends and the needs of each country or region quickly and thoroughly. We ensure that the most advantaged technology is provided through the strength of our research and our development activities using synergy with Mitsubishi Materials Corporation.